Welcome back to this tutorial. So in this one I will be showing you how to register on JTMM. So first of all, you need to go and download the app. So you can actually sign up either on Chrome or you can use the app. So you just go to your app store. If you're using iPhone, they also have an iOS app. So just go to your Apple or iOS app store or Play Store and then download the app. Just type JTMM. So you're going to see the app there. So you are going to click on it. Like for me, I already installed it. That is why you are saying open. So just click open. So but if you are yet to install, you will see install. So when you open the app, just come here, scroll down. So just click on account. So when you click on the account, it's going to open up. So when it open up, you're going to see sign in on top. So you click the sign in button. So remember, this is the login page or the sign in page, but here you don't already have an account and you are going to register as a new member. So you click register. You can choose to register with either your phone number or you sign up using what email. So I'm going to choose sign up using email. So when you click to sign up using email, it is going to load and then to open up like this. So you're going to select your country as Nigeria, or you just select your correct country if you are not in Nigeria. So in case you are not in Nigeria, you're going to click there and then you are going to select your country. So you can see from here, this is all the countries in which JTMM is operating. So you can see a whole lot of countries that is covering. So you can just select based on your own country. So like for me, since I'm a Nigerian, I'm going to select there. I'm coming here to put down my email. So type your email correctly. I already signed up with most of my popular email, so I'm going to use this one here. So next is for you to put in the invitation code, and this is the invitation code that you're going to put. This invitation code on the screen, 3293096. This is the invitation code you are going to use. Please don't go and use any other invitation code because the default one you see on your app is the one from Chinese, and if you register using that one, you are not going to get any benefit and you will not be connected to me anywhere on the site. So I will not have any chance to follow you up or maybe to help you in terms of challenges. So kindly use that one. After that, just scroll down and click the agree button, the second one here, and then you tick mark it, and then you're coming to click next. So it is going to load up and then come here. Right here, they're going to send a code, a verification code to that email you just entered for them to confirm that it is your personal email. So right now, they have sent a verification code to me, and I'm going to check it, and then I will copy it and come back and insert on that space. So I think I get to refresh this page. Okay, good. So when you refresh your email, you're going to see my own here. So we're going to copy the invitation code. Just allow it to load so that you can open up. Okay, good. So you're going to copy the code, which is there for 6 digits, and then take it back to that page that you were doing the registration, and then you're going to paste. Take it here and you're going to paste in front there. So when you paste, come down and click next. So right here, you're going to set and confirm your password. So first you put the password, and second you're going to put the same to confirm the password. Here are the important requirements of your password. You are supposed to have at least 6 digits on that password, one numerical figure, which is a number, one number, and then one uppercase letter. So that is the requirement that you must have on that password. So here we go. I'm going to set my password here, and down I'm going to still put the same password to confirm. So once you do that, you're going to come down and click save. So once you save it, it's going to load up, and congratulations, your store is ready. So next is for you to complete your profile and your store settings. But before we do that, let me quickly show you how to change your currency back to your country currency. So click on home. So when you click on home, you're going to scroll down and then you discover that all the products here are in dollars. So click on account. So when you click on account, you're going to click the flag on top of your screen. Like me, I'm a Nigerian, so it's showing green, white, green for Nigeria. Whatever country you are, you're going to see it there. So you're going to come down and then you set currency. So once you click there, it is going to open up and then provide all the currencies available on the platform. So you are going to select based on your own country. And then click on the cycle for settings, and then it will open up the settings like this. So you're going to click on social media account. So here you're going to put in whatever Instagram or which one you want to give them. So anyone at all you can give them, and know that they're not going to ask you a password or any other thing. They're just going to ask you only for your Facebook or Instagram name. That is all. So next is click on name and then setting your store name. So you can see from here it's showing a different thing, that demo email that I use. So just come down and then click on name. So you're going to set in your store name, and then I'm going to demonstrate this for demo purpose. Let us choose any name here. Let me go for George Brian. Okay, this is just a demo purpose. George Bryant. Okay, so you're going to save the name as you want, or let me say as you want your store name to appear, and then that is it. Boom, you can see the name here. So this is my store name. If I go to my own, you see Kim Services, but this is a new account for demo purpose. Okay, so here you're going to select your gender, and then you're going to put whether male or female. So next is for you to choose whether you are a distributor or you are a sponsor ID. So up, you're going to put in a profile picture. If you have a logo, you're going to put in your store logo. If you want to put your personal picture, you can put your personal picture there. So you can select either from photograph or from what album. You take photograph or you use from album. So that is it. So as simple as that, this is actually how you're going to set up your JTMM store. And then this is your home page. You have a bunch of products here, from human hair to accessories, glasses, sunglasses, AirPods, electronics, and the rest of them. So in the next video, I'm showing you how you're going to get your store link and send people to drive traffic.